Sayyara tu.
That's a beautiful song, bro.
Yeah?
What a beautiful song. I love it.
What's the film?
I haven't seen the movie yet.
What do you like about the song?
I was talking to my wife the other day, and I had heard the song. And first of all, I'm just so happy that the song, I think it's on the charts, like it's doing. I don't think कभी भी किसी भी Indian गाने ने इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा किया है. I'm not sure if Hanuman kind had those kind of numbers, or I'm not sure, but this song is right there. At least एक हिंदी गाने ने कभी भी शायद ऐसी numbers वगैरह नहीं आए हैं उसके. तो that in itself makes me feel very happy, क्योंकि एक original गाना है. This is nothing different. This is an original song made first time. There's a new singer who's come on board, like who's relatively newer. Like he's been singing for a while, but he's relatively newer. Fahim Abdullah, right? He had Ishq, and now he has this Ehsaas as well. What a voice, beautiful. और मेरे को सबसे ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ ये लगी थी, I said, I was talking to my wife and I was telling her कि अगर मुझे ये गाना हाफ वे से किसी ने मेलोडीज़ की दे दी होती, I wouldn't have changed anything in this. Like the way I would have liked to make a song, this is that song. I wish I had made that song.
ये समझाओ थोड़ा.
आप कभी कभी ना बहुत मेरे साथ बहुत कम होता है, बट कभी कभी थोड़े सालों में ऐसी एक चीज़ आती है जो आप सुनते हैं एंड यू फील कि अगर मैं इसको बना सकता तो मैं कुछ ना चेंज करता इस चीज़ के बारे में. मतलब क्योंकि हम एज आर्टिस्ट थोड़ा क्रिटिकल हो जाते हैं अपने दिमाग में. मैं कुछ this is a song I wouldn't have changed anything. It is perfect. It is a beautiful song and I love it. I've been listening to it very regularly and I'm very happy that the song is doing this well. Like I hope that it keeps, like abhi globally I think it's in the top 5 or something like that. I hope it reaches like number 1. मुश्किल है, but I hope that happens. So my support is there, so why not?
मेरे ख्याल से it has reached number 1, at least according to Ananya Pandey's stories.
Okay, I'm not sure. Globally, I'm not sure. But
I think
if it has
it has.
happened,
Yeah.
brilliant. I'm so happy that that's the case.
Yeah, kudos to Ahan, Aneet, Mohit
Yeah,
Suri.
exactly. I haven't seen the film yet, so I can't talk about the movie because, but I can talk about the song. The
It's
song.
Vishal Mishra who's
No.
composing?
It's I think Tanishq Bagchi, if I'm not wrong. Irshad Kamil sir ne likhe hain lyrics, I think.
Legendary,
Yeah, beautiful, man.
right? I think this is the one of those songs that's going to be remembered for decades.
It's gonna be the next, that one.
फिर
तुम
मोहब्बत.
फिर मोहब्बत और तुम ही हो. तुम ही हो was the one, right? Like Ashki too.
Yeah.
This is that song. At least that's what I feel. It's gonna do really well. I'm very excited to see like what happens after 10 years and how fondly people remember this.
Actually कल ही तारा सुतारिया के साथ एक एपिसोड करा था एंड उन्होंने सैयारा को एक सिनेमा पर्सपेक्टिव से ब्रेक डाउन किया कि ये फिल्म मासेस में इतनी पॉपुलर क्यों हुई है. उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से आपको इस फिल्म के सॉन्ग्स के बारे में पूछना चाहूँगा कि एक आर्टिस्ट का जॉब ये रहता है कि सोसाइटी को ऑब्जर्व करो, मासेस को ऑब्जर्व करो. क्यों चला ये गाना?
I think that heartbreak, songs about heartbreak and songs about pain and anguish and longing do very well in India. And I think this song has all of that. Irshad Kamil sir is an inspiration, literally. Like he's such a beautiful writer. And I really hope that I get a chance to meet him someday. Just want to like tell him that he's brilliant at what he does. I think the lyrics are very beautiful. And the melody has, once again, like a longing. And I think that is something that the Indian audiences, they love, right? And then you have Fahim Abdullah, whose voice is literally perfect. It's the most rounded voice, right? He can belt, man. Like जब वो he's taking those high notes and जो हरकतें वहाँ पर वो ले रहा है, it's so beautiful, such a beautifully trained voice. तो I feel it was a combination of all of these things. And I feel कि ना एक ओरिजिनल गाने के, अभी लाइफ इन अ मेट्रो भी आई थी, उसके भी गाने had done really well. I feel that the Indian audience ना is like very hungry for like beautiful film music to come out. A lot of non-film music has been there, but I think the film music and the masses, like they love it. And then you add to that the movie, see, I haven't seen it so I can't comment on it, but this is what I've heard, that the people are loving that movie. So you add that You add an amazing debut by Ahan, and I think her name is Aneet, right? So you add that. I think it was just like the perfect cocktail would be the word that I use, you know, like for an explosive song. So I think that's how it is done. It's just a and if I want to like talk about simply, I would say it's just a beautiful song at the end of the day. Like, it's just a beautiful song. So it should work. Why not?
I think India was and still is hungry for new artists of all kinds.
Yes, 100%. I feel that, and now more than ever, people want everything right now. You can literally find pockets of people listening to every genre. It could literally be metal. It can be heavy metal. It can be techno. It can be, you know, the kind of music that we make, like soft pop music. I don't like to call it indie pop. I like to call it soft pop because that's what it is. And, you know, like film music as well. I think people, and classical, everything. I think the Indian audiences are ready. And I think the world is getting ready for like what the talent that we have and that we can showcase as well.
I'm sure Bollywood से ऑफर आए हैं आपको
थोड़े से, ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़े से.
आपकी अप्रोच क्या रही है?
I am a bit of a perfectionist that way. So whatever my first song would be, obviously things can change, but जो भी मेरा पहला गाना होगा, I want it to be something that is extremely beautiful. तो अभी तक जो मेरे पास प्रोजेक्ट्स आए हैं, बिकॉज अभी तक ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स आए हैं जो किसी और ने लिखे हुए हैं और लोग चाहते हैं कि मैं उन पे गाऊँ. और मैं अपने आप को एज अ प्लेबैक सिंगर नहीं देखता. आई लुक एट माई सेल्फ एज अ स्टोरी टेलर, सॉन्ग राइटर फर्स्ट. तो वो थोड़ा सा अभी बैलेंस आउट नहीं हुई हैं चीज़ें. बट आई एम गेटिंग देयर. होपफुली एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट कभी मेरी ज़िंदगी में आएगा मेरे पास जो मैं सुनूंगा और मैं बोलूँगा हाँ मुझे ये करना है, अभी करना है, मुझे ये प्रोजेक्ट ला के दो. सो होपफुली आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट. एंड प्लस द थिंग इज़ कि बिकॉज मैं खुद अपने गाने लिखता हूँ एंड लकीली माई म्यूज़िक इज़ बीन डूइंग वेल. तो मुझे ऐसी कोई, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू से हंगर, बट ऐसी कोई नीड नहीं है इतनी ज़्यादा कि मेरे को गाना ही गाना है बॉलीवुड में. आई एम हैप्पी टू, आई वॉन्ट टू डू इट, बट आई वॉन्ट टू डू इट ऑन माई ओन टर्म्स. सो आई एम हैप्पी टू वेट इट आउट. जिस दिन कोई अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट आएगा जो मेरे लिए परफेक्ट होगा और मैं उनके लिए परफेक्ट होऊंगा, आई वुड जंप ऑन इट. आई वोंट इवन थिंक अबाउट इट लाइक फॉर अ सेकेंड. आई वुड जंप ऑन इट बिकॉज लाइक आई सेड, हमने सबने बचपन में इतनी मूवीज़ देखी हैं. वीव ऑल बीन फिल्मी, वीव ऑल लव्ड बॉलीवुड. So why would I not want to sing? I would love to be a part of like a movie. I would love to give my voice to another actor. Why not?
Right winger wants to play right wing.
Yeah, I wanna be that. I wanna give a good assist.
ये political comment नहीं है.
Yeah, this is not a
political
football comment.